2, ready, read.
I'd like everybody to open their gratitude journal to the next day, which is day number...
I'm grateful for my watch because without it, I wouldn't be able to call my parents for an emergency. I am grateful for Earth because without it, we would not be here.
We are grateful!
Starry, starry night.
Get a variety of brushes at your space.
Paint your palette blue and gray.
Like how? Why would you?
Look out on a summer's
If
day.
you have questions, I'll come around and work with you guys individually.
Réunion! Parmi nous, c'est un jeu vidéo que les enfants ou bien mes élèves adorent. Donc maintenant, en classe, on joue en personne. Ce jeu, on joue à parmi nous ou bien Among Us. Il y a des activités ou des tâches à compléter. Et en fait, c'est une journée splendide dans la salle de classe. Hop! Théo, toi tu es innocent ou coupable? Innocent, tu es certain?
Excuse Annabella!
Oh, Annabella, toi tu es suspicieuse, hein?
In lingua ipsorum.
Tertium qui ipsorum linguae Celtae nostra Galli appellantur.
These are pretty cool because they change colors. Okay, this is your tripod head. Both lights are going off and one side is too dark. You just want to adjust your shutter speed.